The term metaverse seems to be finding a lot of ground in our world today. It's in the newspapers, popular blog posts, news headlines, and on the lips of every individual that matters, including Mark Zuckerberg, the well-known founder of Facebook. It almost seems as though anyone who is not informed on the metaverse and what it entails is somewhere close to being lost in the current wave of activity of the universe. Yet you find yourself in that position and you feel almost helpless about it. No need to worry, as I've got your back this time, and this video will explain you everything about Metaverse. But before that, please keep in mind that the content on this channel is created for edutainment only. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Do your own research before you invest in any asset. So, what is the Metaverse and why is everyone talking about it right now? Keep watching to find out. The term Metaverse describes a digital virtual community. Really, it's that simple. It is a technology that has existed for decades but recently began to draw a lot of attention from the public. Perhaps the most common and relatable application of this technology is in gaming, where multiple players can meet and interact in a digital space, using avatars and virtual realities. The suffix meta generally means beyond, more comprehensive, and the other half verse is derived from the word universe. So put together, the metaverse is a virtual world that lies beyond, or is an extension of the physical. The metaverse has become a very popular term today as more and more investors have picked interest in it. Although the idea has been around for well over decades, analysts argue that for the first time in years, the world actually has the technology, protocols, and infrastructure necessary to make this long-hanging dream a reality. A lot of people seem to agree that the metaverse is the next technology that needs to be launched after the internet. It provides a virtual reality where multitudes of people can be present, connect, communicate, and carry out projects from the comfort of digital devices. The concept has spread widely, especially in this virtual era the world has been forced into by the emergence of COVID. A young teen took advantage of the opportunity to host his birthday party over Roblox, a digital platform which allows users to create and play games. The teens attended the party as their avatars and had a fun game party. Matthew Ball, a venture capitalist and prolific writer, has embraced the technology and is even writing a book on it. Facebook's Mark Zuckerberg has also embraced it. In his Facebook Connect presentation, Zuckerberg's avatar moved from platform to platform, wearing the same black t-shirt demonstrating a continuity of identity and objects. With nearly 3 billion Facebook users, Zuckerberg's metaverse is well on its way to hosting an unlimited number of people. And during his presentation, Zuckerberg repeatedly assured how each feature of the metaverse would establish a sense of presence. The universe is evolving, and so is the metaverse. From virtual reality gaming to crypto platforms, and now virtual reality social media and work platforms, the metaverse threatens to blow the world off its feet. Among other reasons, the most prominent of reasons that could explain the recent outburst of the metaverse is the evolution of technology in today's world, which has made it a more realistic project to pursue, and the increasing need for individuals to meet and work without actually coming together physically for fear of spreading COVID. Although the concept has caught the attention of many, a fraction of people see it as a threat to actual, palpable relationships in real time and have blatantly opposed the idea. But with its popularity among the world's greatest investors, it seems to have come to stay. So I hope for the best outcomes. This brings us to the end of today's video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more amazing content like this. Also comment below on what you think is the future of Metaverse. See you in the next video.